Some evenings truly are a statement of legacy. Signature Global, now in partnership with Tonino Lamborghini, a name defined by generations of Italian craftsmanship and by a legacy that has always stood for excellence and timeless design. What's being introduced here is a way of thinking about space, where form and functionality exist in perfect balance, and design is deeply intentional. A philosophy that brings Italian refinement to Indian lifestyle to create homes which become a symbol of status and luxury. It's the beginning of a vision that brings a global design language into India, because even though Italy can't be brought here, its feeling can be. This is for those who have arrived in life. Signature Global and Tonino Lamborghini Residences in Gurgaon.
Gurugram feels completely different tonight because what's happening here is truly extraordinary. Tonino Lamborghini has arrived in India. And with Signature Global, this isn't just a collaboration, it's a defining moment. Gurugram now hosts a global statement shaped by generations of Italian legacy and craftsmanship. A rare opportunity to own a piece of Italy right here in India, where global design, precision, and passion become a way of life. This marks a new chapter for Indian real estate, globally benchmarked, effortlessly iconic. Tonino Lamborghini Residences now in India, for people who have arrived.
I'm Kamya and I'm at an exclusive preview of something India has never seen before. Signature Global and Tonino Lamborghini's first ever branded residences right here in Gurugram.
Tonino Lamborghini is not just a name, it's an Italian legacy of craftsmanship passed down through generations. A legacy that has defined global luxury. Signature Global is bringing a modern blend of Italian design and Indian sensibility. Homes built for experience-led living, where every space is designed for you to belong to. It is a new benchmark in real estate for those who have arrived in life, and it carries one of the most iconic names in the world.
Tonino Lamborghini Residences, where your residence becomes a status symbol of global lifestyle.